Good day everyone. This is the presentation of Group 2, Copyright Law. So for our objectives for copyright law is increase awareness of copyright laws among nurses and healthcare professionals. Next is establish clear copyright policies and procedures for nursing informatics. And lastly, implement technology solution to facilitate copyright compliance and digital information management.
For introduction, overview of copyright law in nursing informatics. Introduction to the importance of copyright law in the context of nursing informatics and its impact on healthcare information management. Copyright law in nursing informatics is an essential aspect that governs the creation, dissemination, and use of digital information within the nursing field. Nursing informatics deals with the integration of nursing science, computer science, and information science to manage and communicate data information. So data, information, knowledge, and wisdom in nursing practice.
Importance of understanding copyright law. Emphasizing the significance of nurses and healthcare professionals' understanding copyright laws to ensure ethical and legal use of digital health information. Nurses must have a profound knowledge and understanding of copyright laws as they promote responsible and secure exchange of digital health information while upholding ethical standards. By respecting and adhering to copyright regulations, healthcare professionals can prevent plagiarism and maintain the confidentiality and accuracy of health data.
So, copyright law is a branch of intellectual property law that grants exclusive rights to creators of original works, allowing them to control the use, distribution, and reproduction of their creations. In nursing informatics, copyright law protects the rights of nurses, healthcare professionals, educators, and institutions who create or use digital materials and software applications in their work. Copyright law as it pertains to healthcare information, including medical database, electronic health records, and digital resources, is essential for protecting intellectual property, ensuring data privacy, and regulating the use of electronic healthcare information. Medical database such as collection of patient data, clinical guidelines, or medical literature compilations can be protected by copyright if they possess originality and creativity in their selection, arrangement, or presentation. The entity or individual who creates a medical database typically owns the copyright to it. In healthcare settings, this might be a healthcare institution or software vendor. So, key principles and regulations. In the context of nursing informatics, understanding copyright law principles such as ownership, fair use, and licensing agreements is essential for navigating the legal and ethical landscape of using digital resources. Understanding ownership helps in respecting intellectual property rights and avoiding copyright infringement. Fair use is a legal doctrine that allows limited use of copyright material without permission from the copyright owner for purposes such as criticism, commentary, news reporting, education, or research. Copyright law is a significant role in shaping the creation, dissemination, and utilization of healthcare information in clinical practice in research setting. So, ownership.
For the copyright compliance and ethics in informatics. Copyrighted works in healthcare includes medical texts and journals like articles, textbooks, and other medical publications, and it is protected by copyright. Sharing them without permission can be a violation. Copyrighted works also includes images, illustrations, software, and technology like electronic health records, x-rays, and other visual aids. And healthcare softwares may also be copyrighted. Copyright law safeguards the rights of creators and publishers of healthcare information. sharing copyrighted patient information without authorization may violate privacy laws, so it is essential to maintain patient privacy. Copyright infringement can also lead to lawsuits and financial penalties.
So, limiting copying for purposes such as teaching, research, or criticism may be allowed under the fair use doctrine. However, fair use has specific criteria and can be complex concept. It's best to consult with a copyright expert for guidance. If the fair use doctrine doesn't apply, seeking permission from the copyright holder is necessary before using copyrighted material. Many healthcare institutions have established copyright policies outlining acceptable practices for employees to be familiarized with the workplace specific guidelines. Hospitals and healthcare providers often subscribe to database and resources that offer access to a amount of copyrighted medical literature. Healthcare professionals have a responsibility to use copyrighted materials ethically and legally. Understanding copyright principle, following institutional policies, and seeking guidance when needed helps for ensuring compliance and protects intellectual property. Next reporter.
Challenges of copyright management. Copyrighted works in healthcare includes medical texts and journals like articles, textbooks, and other medical publications, and it is protected by copyright. Sharing them without permission can be violation copyrighted. Works that also include images, illustration, softwares, and technology like electronic healthcare records, X-ray, and other visual aids, and healthcare software may be also be copyrighted. Common challenges. The use of the use of content is generally difficult to supervise. Scientific content is available from many different sources, including the open web, and digital technology has made it easier to access, reuse, and share content both internally with colleagues and externally with customers, collaborators, and others. Employees often lack knowledge or have misconception about copyright law. Example, if it is freely available online, then it must be free to copy, distribute, and reuse for all purposes. Right licensing option for affairs or pharmacovigilance division are not always straightforward, easy, or efficient. Given the vastly different copyright licensing legal models from one country to the next, employers may unintentionally expose their organization to the risk of copyright infringement even by routinely sharing content with their colleagues and other offices. Strategies for copyright compliance. The foundation lies in grasping copyright basic. This foundation lies grasping copyright basics. This includes what kind of works are protected, sample written materials, images, softwares, the concept of fair use, limited transformative use without permission for purposes like education, and when licenses are required. Staying updated on changes in copyright regulation ensures responsible practices. Next come staff education. Training sessions for nurses and healthcare professionals raise awareness about copyright in clinical settings, teaching, and research. These sessions should emphasize the importance of respecting intellectual property when using materials, developing clear policies and procedures, ideally in collaboration with legal experts.
provides a framework for copyright compliance. These policies should address using third-party content, proper citation of sources, and obtaining permission when necessary. Licensed resources are a safe haven, leveraging institutional subscription to copyrighted content ensures legal access to educational and patient care materials. Next reporter, please.
However, situations may arise where copyrighted material falls outside of institutional subscriptions. Understanding fair use is crucial in these scenarios. Fair use allows for limited, transformative use of copyrighted material without permission for purposes like criticism, commentary, or education. Nurses must evaluate whether their intended use falls within these fair use guidelines. If fair use doesn't apply, a permission process must be followed. This involves first determining if permission is indeed necessary, then identifying the copyright owner and
The main
specifying
aspects
the
of
rights
copyright law
required
in
for your
nursing
use.
informatics includes
In
defining
some
its scope,
cases, negotiation with the
understanding
owner, if payment is involved, may be necessary, and finally, always obtain written permission to ensure your use is authorized. Next slide, please. Technology solutions. The role of technology tools and systems in facilitating copyright compliance and management of digital health information in nursing informatics is that digital and technological solutions have had a significant impact on daily life by revolutionizing communication, facilitating the reliable acquisition of diverse information, and greatly improving overall quality of life. Recent research has shown that digital health solutions have a great potential to improve healthcare quality and sustainability, supporting healthcare workers in their clinical and organizational tasks. Management of digital health information includes digital rights, management systems, electronic health record systems, and health information exchange platforms. Digital rights management systems control access to data regardless of its location, allowing secure transmission and storage. Electronic health record systems enable nurses to document patient data, track medical histories, and share information securely. While health information exchange platforms facilitate the secure exchange of health information between different healthcare organizations. Therefore, nurses can use these systems to access patients' information while ensuring compliance with copyright laws and patient privacy regulations. Next reporter, please.
So, for the conclusion, the recap of key points discussed, the main aspect of copyright law in nursing informatics include defining its scope, understanding key principles like ownership and fair use, and recognizing its impact on the healthcare practice and research. Compliance and ethics are crucial, especially in using digital resources like electronic health records and medical databases. Challenges in copyright management arise from the complexity of permissions clearance, lack of knowledge among employees, and varying licensing options. Strategies for compliance involve education, clear policies, leveraging license resources, and understanding fair use. Technology solutions such as digital rights management system, EHR system, and health information exchange platforms helps manage digital health information while ensuring copyright compliance and patient privacy. Next reporter, please.
Next, importance of ongoing education and awareness. Continuous learning and staying updated on copyright regulations and best practices in nursing informatics are crucial for several reasons, which are protection of intellectual property, data privacy and confidentiality, ethical use of resources, avoiding legal consequences. Continuous learning ensures that healthcare professionals remain informed about evolving copyright laws and can adapt their practices according to ensure ethical and legal use of digital resources in nursing informatics. Lastly, call to action for collaboration. Collaborating with nurses, informaticists, legal experts, and healthcare administrators is crucial for ensuring alignment on copyright regulations and ethical digital information usage in nursing. It's imperative to comprehend aspects such as ownership, fair use, and permissions. Establishing transparent guidelines, educating stakeholders, and leveraging advanced technology solutions like digital rights management and electronic health records are key strategies for maintaining compliance with copyright laws while managing the digital health information. Thank you for listening again. This is the group 2.
Yes, tapos na, okay na guys?